Welcome to this video about Puppetry, a tool that allows you to create animated videos with the power of AI, afraid to get on camera. Want to target a market and have a voiceover from that country? Or maybe you have other reasons. Don't worry. Puppetry is here to help. Now to show you how to get this going, it's over to the real Richard. Take it away, my human friend. Oh, and listen to his real Irish accent.
Hey, thank you for that introduction. And of course, that was an AI avatar that kind of looked like me and kind of spoke with a different accent. But this is what we're talking about today. Puppetry, a tool that allows you to animate talking head videos using the power of AI. And it is very AI driven. And I'm going to tell you about some use cases. I'm going to tell you how I would use this. And I'm going to give you a truthful review of the pros and cons of using a software like this. So for those of you who don't like to get on video, this could be an ideal way of creating short social media videos. Now I was thinking about use cases as I was scripting out this video, and one that I thought was if you wanted to have a motivational quote on your Instagram every single day, you could just create this avatar, this AI avatar, and you could create a motivational quote that is 30 seconds long. And you could build up a faceless, in inverted commas, Instagram account or TikTok account. Now people are going to know that it's not you, but that's fine if you just wanted to build it up just to motivate people. Now, for me as a language coach, I can see that this could be very useful to record the same text, but with a different type of accent from English. So it could be an Australian accent, it could be a Nigerian accent, an American accent, and this could really help for listening and comprehension. Now, as a coach, would I use this to create videos, coaching videos? Probably not, because in my industry, people want to see me. But if I use it as an exercise, it would be perfect. Okay, enough talking. Let's go over to Puppetry. Now, here we are on the main screen. And one of the things that I did was I actually took a picture of myself and I asked it to create a puppet based on that picture. And that's the intro puppet that you will see. So what I do is I can simply upload a picture or a face, and then what I would do is I would type out the text, I would select a voice, and then I decide what speed I want that voice to speak at. I would generate the audio, and then it actually generates those videos for me. Now, at the moment, this is on AppSumo, it's a lifetime deal, and the limits are extremely generous. So you can create as many of these videos as you want. It probably works best if you use a image like one of the ones that they supply. Now, how do I use a supplied image? If I go to sample puppets, I can choose all the different types of puppets here. So let's do an experiment here. I'm going to choose this girl here. Okay, so now I have this female voice. I want to go into browse voices. I'm going to select female, and I want to select English here. So I'll go down to English and I'll take English Kenya. Okay, and it says this is the voice, and I say use voice, and it now comes up here with a cilia. And I can then go down and I can generate the audio. Now this is important because what you want to do is you want to listen to the audio and make sure that everything sounds right, because you have to be very, very careful of ensuring that you put in full stops so that the sentences don't run together. Also, you need to listen to the voice, and sometimes if I had put in puppetry, it might say puppetry. So sometimes you have to write it as it sounds. Another example I saw was a read, and it read read as read, so the past tense of read. So you have to go in and you have to just tweak that. I can decide what the voice settings are, what speed I wanted to use. Okay, so I wanted to use this particular speed, and when I'm happy, I can actually play this. Okay, now this for me is a great use case because when I am working with my language clients, they get used to my voice. So I can create a listening exercise and have different voices for them and different speeds. Now, once I've done that, I click on generate video. And as you will see, it's going to take 9 minutes to actually generate that video, more or less. So while that's generating, let's go and see what else is available in Puppetry. So I have Puppet Generator, and what I can do here is I can create and customize a puppet here. So I can say I want a woman from America. I want her fashion style to be trendy. I want her skin color to be a pinkish color. I want her to have white hair, red lipstick, blue eyes. Okay, and I can say image type is default, so it comes up like this, or I can say cartoon. So it is quite endless how many avatars I can create. And if I just change this seed, what you'll see is that this just creates a different type of image. So this might be perfect for motivational videos. If I'm doing a certain type of motivational videos, if I want them to look a little bit more cartoony like, if I want them to be more traditional, I can put it like that. There's lots. I mean, it is pretty endless, or I could say sophisticated. And now when I put in sophisticated, it comes up looking like that. So I can make a video with that if I wish. Then I go into audio generator. This is very much like what we saw earlier. Okay, all the audio that I've generated. I can cartoonify an image, and this is where I took an image of myself and I cartoonified it. Okay, some of it looked a little bit rougher. I mean, that's not a bad one. I look like a bouncer here. But what I do is I go into here, I click on cartoonify, I go to the advanced options, and I can decide the conversion strength, I can decide the guidance scale, processing steps, and by playing around with those, you will see different options coming up. Now, if you don't know what this script is to be, you can actually use ChatGPT. So I might say a motivational message for teachers. Okay. What do I want to ChatGPT directives? Make this a motivational speech of around 2 minutes in length. Now, what I can do here is I can ask ChatGPT, and the great thing is that we can just change the spelling there. So I can say ask ChatGPT. It is coming up with the actual speech here. Now I might say, we have an error. Okay, so let's try that again. As you can see, I'm not editing anything here. So it comes up here and I have the motivational speech here, and I might decide that I want to copy that. Okay, so I could actually just copy that there. It actually comes up with a image as well for me, which is great. And then I can just go in and I could use that on the puppet animator. The image generator, exactly the same. Okay, motivational, I can say motivational speaker. I can say that I want this with Open AI DALL-E 3, and I generate, and I can choose the aspect ratio that I want as well. So really, Puppetry comes with everything that you need, not just to create these talking head videos, but even to create scripts and to create images here. Okay, very interesting here, and this is the prompt. Okay, now I could go in and I could decide I want to put in a different one here. If I go into videos, I have all the videos that I've created. You'll see that this one is still rendering. If I want, I can have captioned videos, but this is an extra. If I go into audio, I see all of my audios, all of my images, my sample puppets there. So you can see that Puppetry is very simple to use. I mean, I started using it just the other day, and it does a lot. Again, the use cases for this, for a faceless, in inverted commas, Instagram account, YouTube channel, for motivational videos, really, really useful. Now, let's just see how the actual puppet animator did with our video. Here we are, the video has been created. So if I just play that, you will see how it actually animates the person. And I think it animates it better than the animation that you saw at the beginning of the video. Now, Of course, people are going to know that this is not real, but that is fine. We are living in this era of AI, so we can do that. There's absolutely no problems. So let me know your questions. Let me know your comments. What do you think of puppetry, of what you saw? Is there anything that you think could be improved? I mean, if I think of what could be improved, maybe some of the voices could be improved. They are using a particular system here, Play HT. I mean, the 11 voices is the standard at the moment, but they may improve that. But it is a very, very good, for the price, it is a very, very good tool to use. All right, if you liked this video, make sure that you like it. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, as I'll be pumping out more videos on a more regular basis. So talk to you very soon.